Today I'm going to teach you on how to see if you're using an SSD or an HDD on Windows 11. So let's begin. Firstly, go to your Windows icon, right click it. You can see there's a lot of options. Go to Task Manager, click on it. You can see the Task Manager opening. Let's full screen it. You can see on the left hand side, you can see different icons. Go to the Performance icon, click on it. Here you can see that I have one disk, that you can have 2, 3, 4, how much you want. So how much you have, that is. So I have one which has SSD, as you can see. Not only that, you can click on it and you can see what kind of SSD is being. So we have Micron 2210 MTH. So this is the SSD which we have, and you can see the performance as well. Capacity, formatted, system disk, etc. So this is the simple way and it's very easy to see. So I hope you understand and found this useful. Thank you.